Hello, class. Today we're going to learn how to write an informational text. Sounds interesting, right? By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to write about any topic by organizing your ideas clearly, just like scientists, reporters, or even teachers. So, let's dive in and explore how we can write great informational text. Let's start by understanding what an informational text is. It's a type of nonfiction writing. Now, what does nonfiction mean? Right, it means real facts. So, an informational text provides facts and information about a specific topic. You'll find these texts in textbooks, news articles, or reporters. Let me give you some examples. You might read about the solar system, the importance of recycling, or types of animals. These are all examples of topics where we provide real information, not made up stories. Now that we know what an informational text is, let's talk about its structure. Informational texts have three main parts: the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. The introduction gives us the topic and a quick preview of what's coming. The body goes deeper into the details, usually by breaking down the topic into smaller parts called subtopics. The conclusion wraps it all up and summarizes what we've learned. For example, if our topic is the importance of clean water, our introduction will introduce that clean water is important. The body will explain why it matters. And the conclusion will remind us of what we've learned. All right, let's start with the introduction. The goal here is to grab the reader's attention and introduce the main topic. Think of it like an invitation. You want to make the reader curious enough to keep reading. You also give a brief overview of what you will discuss. Here is an example. Clean water is essential for life. Without it, people and animals cannot survive. In this text, we will explore why clean water is important, how it can be polluted, and ways to conserve it. See how it catches your attention and tells you what's coming up. Now, let's move on to the body. This is where the magic happens. In the body, we present all the facts and details about our topic. We also break these facts into subtopics, so the information is easier to understand. Using our example on clean water, the main topic is importance of clean water, and we can break it into three subtopics. Why clean water is necessary for health. Causes of water pollution like factories and chemicals. How we can protect our water resources. Each subtopic gets its own section with details and examples to help explain it. And finally, we have the conclusion. This is where we summarize everything we talked about. We restate the main points and remind the reader why the topic is important. It's like wrapping up a present. You put all the information together and tie it up with a neat little bow. Here's an example. In conclusion, clean water is vital to all living things. By reducing pollution and conserving water, we can ensure everyone has access to this precious resource. Short, clear, and it reminds us of the main message. And that's it. We've now learned how to write an informational text with an introduction, body, and conclusion. So let's have this as an example. So here, topic, the importance of clean water. One introduction. Clean water is important for all living things. It helps people stay healthy and keeps the environment clean. And then body. why clean water is important. We need clean water for drinking, cooking, and cleaning. Without it, we can get sick, and then causes of water pollution, and how to protect water. We can also, of course, we should not forget this conclusion. And let's see if how should we write it. Okay, so here is an example of how to write it. So the title, The Importance of Clean Water. We have the introduction here. Okay, we also have we have here the topics or the subtopics. And then we also have here the conclusion. There you go. So again, thank you so much for listening.